True or false? We need our senses to help us understand the world around us. True, false. Match the parts of the eye with their correct function. Column A, 1 pupil, 2 lens, 3 retina, 4 optic nerve. Column B, the innermost coating of the black eye containing the light-sensitive receptor cells, the opening in the iris that regulates the amount of light entering the eye, the nerve that carries impulses from the retina to the brain, a flexible, transparent structure in the eye that changes its shape to focus light on the retina. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word box that is below. The combination of two images into one is called blank. Zoophobia, binocular fusion, retinal disparity, color blindness. The ability of our eyes to have depth perception is connected to A, retinal disparity, B, binocular fusion, C, light spectrum. Match the elements of the ear with their correct parts. Column A, 1 outer ear, 2 middle ear, 3 inner ear. Column B, receives sound waves, directs sounds down the ear canal. Air-filled cavity that has the 3 tiny main structures of the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. Contains the cochlea, a bony tube containing fluid and tiny hairs that help move sounds to the auditory nerve in the brain. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The olfactory nerve is responsible for the sense of blank: hearing, taste, smell, sight. Select all the recognized taste buds that humans have. A, sour, B, salty, C, bitter, D, sweet. Choose one sense, sight, hear, smell, taste, or touch, and explain how it works. You may use the audio option to record your answer.